All right, guys, we've got something very special for you today. We've got the Yaheetech 14.4-inch Quicklock metal bed frame. This basically requires no screws. I could not believe how easy this was to put together. We're going to flash to me putting it together real quick so you can see. And I'm just putting the finishing touches on here. So all we do is once the frame is in place, this is essentially the box spring replacement. These just kind of go in here and they lay. They go in their slots and they just lay over the top of the frame. And now what we're going to do is all we do from here is we just add the queen mattress on top of it. All right, guys, so we've got the mattress set up. And I wanted to keep it this way so you can see how simple this setup is. The mattress is the heaviest part. I mean, the frame itself is super lightweight. I was able to carry it in completely on my own. I love the simple setup. This is kind of like it's almost like a new, more minimal platform bed. So really, I mean, it's super basic, and I think it's got a really like minimal high-end look. And ultimately, I think the number one thing about it is no screws required, super easy to put together, super lightweight, and easy to move around. So I think the number I'm seeing on the product page there, this is a ridiculous value. If you don't get it, you deserve to be backhanded.